Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Word with a document open. Click File, then Options to reach the app settings. This is where proofing lives. You need to be in the main Word app. Word Online has different controls, so make sure that desktop Word is running. Once in Options, pick Proofing from the left column so you can change how Word checks text. This step gets you directly to the toggles you will change. It prevents you from hunting through menus later. Now focus on the proofing pane. Uncheck check spelling as you type to stop live red underlines, and uncheck mark grammar errors as you type to remove green squiggles. Also clear check grammar with spelling so Word won't run combined checks when you manually trigger spelling. If you only want to pause checks for a particular document, use the exceptions section and mark hide spelling and grammar errors. These controls stop background processing and reduce distractions while you edit. Finish by clicking OK to save your new settings, and then close and reopen Word to ensure the toggles take effect. If spell checking persists, check the document language and proofing exceptions. Mismatched language packs can force checks. Go to Review, choose Language, then set proofing language to confirm the correct language and to turn off Do Not Check spelling or grammar for that document. If problems continue, restarting your computer or repairing Office often resolves lingering service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.